Hello students, there is a question. Question is like this. There is a mass body and this mass body attached with two springs, this and this. This is the fixed, this end is also fixed. So in this case A spring constant is K1, A spring constant K2 and mass is M. ये क्वेश्चन है. अब इसमें से इस मास को अगर तुमने ऐसे डिस्प्लेस कर दिया लाइक दिस ऐसे और रिलीज कर दिया तो इट विल ऑसिलेट. अप्रैक्टली दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट इज द टाइम पीरियड. आई एम टेलिंग टू यू, ये जब आप कंप्रेस इधर यूर कंप्रेस इट, सो कंप्रेशन एंड एक्सटेंशन बोथ इज सेम इक्वल. सो इन दिस टाइम पीरियड टी equal 2 pi a square root m by k, and this is the parallel combination. In parallel combination this k will be k1 plus k2. ये substitute k1 k2 is given, mass and given, substitute value, you will find the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Hello students, this is a question. Practically this is a piston, this is a piston, this is a piston, this body is a piston, and on the piston there is an mass body. The piston is oscillating, the piston is oscillating. So what is the maximum amplitude at which the body remains on the piston? If amplitude more than that, the body will detach out of the piston. This is the question. So practically whether this is the oscillating at let it is amplitude, this is the A, so whether this reaching at this point, the piston is reaching over here, and this mass is over here, this is the mass m. So at this point whether it is piston is coming downwards, on this block pseudo force will act upward, and this pseudo force, this is, it will accelerate downwards, pseudo force is upward. This pseudo force ma, A is acceleration of this, and this ma equal ka, A is amplitude, k is force constant, and mg is acting downwards. When weight mg equal pseudo force, that is ma are equal to k, this will be detached. So answer is mg equal ka, and in this frequency is given, this is given to you. So frequency equal 1 upon t, and we need k, we need k. So mass time period t equal 2 pi root m by k, nu equal 1 upon t, time period 2 pi root m by k. So mass is given, and k from this, because this is given, mass given, 2 pi given, k will find. So k will substitute over here. So that is mg upon k equal A. This is the answer. A is to find what is the amplitude at which the mass will detach. Okay, next question. Hello students, this is another question, and question is that there is an A spring, with A spring a mass m is attached. This is the mass, and a spring constant is k, amplitude of oscillation is A equal 10, amplitude is A. So you have to find potential energy, kinetic energy and total energy whether the displacement is A by 2. Let this is the A, at A by 2, this is the position A by 2, at A by 2 you have to tell kinetic energy, potential energy. So in this only, this is the given. So we know it, kinetic energy equal half k a square minus y square, that is half m times of omega square and a square minus y square. In this case, a is given and displacement y is also given, mass given, but omega is not given. Omega is to find. So omega, how will you find? Because in this displacement and amplitude is given. Displacement A by 2 and amplitude is A. So in this we know that is y equal A sin omega t and y is A by 2 equal A sin omega t. A and A cancel. That is omega t is sin omega t is equal 1 by 2. This is pi by 6, 30 degree. So time is not given and omega is also not given. So what will you do? What can be done? Any other technique? Omega t is given to you, pi by 6, no problem in this. So now you will apply from this, you are getting, this is Asian. By this technique you will have to change something. So what will you change? Sin omega t, kinetic energy, sin omega t is 1 by 2. Sin omega t is 1 by 2. And in right angle triangle, sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So base will be root 3. 2 2 is 4 minus 1 or root 3 will be the base. So cos omega t will be base upon hypotenuse or root 3 by 2. This is kinetic energy. Another formula of kinetic energy equal half k a square minus y square. So in this case, as you know, half k a square y is given to you, but omega is not given to you. For this you are getting omega, so omega t equal this, so t is not given to you. Correctly. One more thing, displacement at